ocean. Good evening to our respected chief guest, Dr. Gopala Narayana Murthy and Mr. Venkatachalam, honorable members of the management, Chairman Dr. S.K. Vail, Vice Chairman Mr. Keshav Rangan, Secretary Mr. C. Tangaraju, Director Mr. G. Puragavan, Correspondent Mrs. K. Tamari Selvi, Senior Principal Mr. R. Balakrishnan, dear teachers, beloved parents, and my dear students. I am Mrs. Mekala, Principal of PVA, and it gives me immense pleasure to welcome you all to our annual day celebration. Welcome. This year, we celebrate our theme, the blue, growing together like the ocean. Just like the vast blue ocean, our school is a place where every child grows, learns, and shines, strong, limitless, and full of possibilities. Your presence today adds strength to this journey, helping us nurture talents, dreams, and values in every student. Thank you and welcome once again. Our school campus is surrounded by greenery, providing a peaceful and refreshed environment for learning. And the campus is also equipped with 24/7 security and CCTV surveillance, ensuring safety and care for all our students. Our school is a CBSE affiliated secondary school following the NEP and NCF curriculum. From kindergarten to grade 10, it helps our students grow in knowledge and skills, preparing them for a bright and successful future, just like the continuous flow of ocean currents guiding the journey forward. I'm proud to share that our school has once again achieved 100% results in grade 10 board examinations. This success shows the hard work of our students and the dedicated support of our teachers. Like young sailors exploring the depths of knowledge, our 500 Olympiad participants showed curiosity and determination. I'm happy to share that they brought home 90 gold medals and 50 medals of distinction, earning appreciation at both and international levels. In the ocean of language learning, our students have shown great confidence and skill. Our Spell Bay achievers have performed successfully at the national and international levels, turning the knowledge into shine pearls of vocabulary. Just like the ocean is full of diversity, our students shine in a wide range of talent through STALX activities such as elocution, drawing, recitation, rangoli, clay molding, and more, which help them grow in creativity and confidence. Our school proudly awards around 300 shields and medals to STALX achievers, celebrating their efforts and accomplishments. Our school provides free EZA activities for Silambam, Karate, Yoga, Skating, Archery, Keyboard, and Dance under expert guidance. Many students have won prizes at zonal and state levels. They have also completed Form 2 certifications in skating and karate, and some have even achieved world records in Silambam and karate, bringing great pride to our school. Slide, please. Our pre-primary students celebrated their graduation ceremony with great joy. Like little steps toward big dreams, they begin their new journey with confidence and happiness. Just like waves move together with strength, our 20 scouts and 30 guides grow through teamwork, discipline, and service. Their helping nature is appreciated in every school event they participate in, and they continue to develop values that guide them through life. Our students participated in various events, including Kho tournaments in Kongu Sagodia, where our under 10 girls team secured the runner-up position. Our young athletes also took part in the athlete events such as long jump, high jump, shot put, and discus throw. Additionally, our students participated in the overall CM trophy competitions. Flows with countless colorful waves, our school celebrates festivals and events that foster unity and joy. Throughout the year, we celebrated Colors Day for kindergarten, Onam, Ayudha Puja, Diwali, Pongal, Holi, Children's Day, Raksha Bandhan, and Vinayaka Chaturthi. On Science Day, our students rode the currents of creativity, presenting innovative projects and ideas in the science exhibition. Parents appreciated the talents, effort, and imaginations, giving us encouraging feedback that recognized the hard work of our young innovators. Our students participated in the state-level GK quiz competitions conducted by InFact and Pattam newspaper, gaining valuable learning experience. Our students also, our school also provides Pattam Kale Kadir and the Hindu newspaper regularly to help students stay updated, improve vocabulary, and prepare for competitive exams. Our school assembly plays an important role in bringing students and teachers together each day. Through assemblies, students share thoughts, achievements, and important announcements. Birthdays are celebrated with a meaningful initiative in our school. Students are presented with money banks, encouraging the habit of saving for a better future. Our school encourages students to care for the environment through various eco-friendly activities. With the support of the Forest Department, the DVO, and our Eco Club team, we have successfully planted around 2,000 saplings. In addition, our students actively participated in an e-waste collection drive, creating awareness about proper disposal and recycling of electronic waste. Healthy Waves. Our school provides organic food, healthy lunches, and nutritious snacks like sprouts and millets to keep our students active and energized. We are proud to share that our PVA students never bring packaged or junk foods to our school, as we encourage healthy eating habits for their overall well-being. Our students explore learning beyond the classroom through exciting field trips. They visited Fantasy Park and Snake Park in Kerala, Trichy Birds Park, Wonderworld Theme Park, Valayapatti Farmhouse and Park, gaining new experiences and joyful memories. These trips help students learn, explore, and grow together, just like waves discovering new shores in the vast blue ocean. Our school conducts parent-teachers meeting every term to keep parents informed about their parents and the child academics progress and overall development. During PTM, our management warmly provides lunch for all parents and organized a free medical camp with general eye and dental checkups for students, parents, and staff members, ensuring their health and well-being. It also becomes a wonderful platform for students to showcase their talents through activities like vendor stalls, food courts, and displays of art and craft. We guide our students towards success through NEET, IET, JEE coaching with Sri Narayanan and strengthen their skills through Learn Basics, helping them grow like steady waves. Just like the ocean is made strong by many drops, the PVA family is strengthened by its people. Our school has 51 dedicated teaching staff and 35 supporting staff members, along with our 30 school transport facilities, all working together to support and guide our students on the journey of growth. Our teachers receive regular training, and we proudly have well-trained and qualified graduate teachers guiding our students. With the continuous support of our management, this year we have taken important steps towards growth and development. We have added an extra floor to our new building, established a front office, enriched our library with new books, increased the number of school buses, especially new buses replaced by old ones, introduced smart boards, and implemented staff special uniforms. Our PVA ERP app manages communication and fees, includes GPS tracking for transport safety. Our school provides transportation with 22 buses for students. We provide free insurance coverage for our students, parents, and staff members, ensuring the safety, security, and well-being. To support every learner, our school also provides special evening remedial classes, offering extra time and guidance to help students strengthen their understanding and improve their performance. At PVA, no child is left behind. We help every student achieve their best. These developments reflect our journey of growing together step by step, like the rising waves of the ocean. Future plans? In the next academic year, we plan to introduce an auditorium, furnished mess hall, sports practice courts, adding new classrooms, strengthening our journey of growth together. In the coming year, we plan to further strengthen our focus on the handwriting by introducing structured handwriting books and regular practice sessions, helping students develop neat, clear, and confident writing skills. Then I come to conclusion. Just like the ocean is made of countless drops, PVA stands strong because of each one of us. I sincerely thank all of our parents. Please, all of our parents, please. You are our parents for believing in us throughout this journey. And we hope you will continue to walk with us in the year ahead. Together, with unity and shared dreams, we can achieve endless possibilities. Special thanks to our parents. Thank you so much for all.